Welcome back to Stop the DTE Monopoly. Just wanted to pop in and leave you guys a quick video about DTE is rolling out the new opt-out meters. The new no radio opt-out meters are being rolled out. I did get a few messages lately about these new meters coming out, and people are not happy. A few other sources have informed me that some people are experiencing discomfort, parts of their body feeling like they're burning, etc. after the installation of these new no radio opt-out meters. This is very unsettling for me. I spoke my piece back in January after the news broke about the new meters and the fines and the settlement that nobody on our side agreed to with DTE, all that shenanigans. I said back in January, do not accept this new meter. This isn't going to be good for us. I don't know how. I just know that DTE cannot be trusted, and they are not looking out for our best interest, and they treat their customers like guinea pigs. And what do we have now, a couple months later? New meter coming out, and problems. Shocker, right? Some people just don't learn. You cannot trust this company. And for all the fanboys that were cheering this on, thinking this was the greatest thing since sliced bread and no radios, this is what we wanted, and go on and get signed up and get these things put on your house. Big mistake. Big mistake. You know, I don't understand how anybody that has been burned by DTE as many times as some folks in this anti-smart meter community can just get right behind the clowns that have been screwing us for eons. Well, I guess you just can't fix stupid. Anyway, I just wanted to drop in and let everybody know, quick update about the new meters. They are being rolled out. People are complaining, and I would say it is in your best interest to hold off this new meter as long as possible, just like the last meters. Same thing, just different meter now. So do not allow them access. Do not accept this meter. We need more information on these, and we cannot count on DTE to give us any more information on these meters, especially if it's negative. They are not going to be forthcoming with information, especially when it's negative, about these new meters. So I would suggest you look out for you, and do not let this new meter get installed. With that, I wish everybody well. Keep fighting the good fight and stop the DTE monopoly.